pursuing a career in data science but worried because you come from the non-technical background? Don't worry, you're not alone. There are thousands of people just like you who are planning to make a career transition. It's time to challenge the myths and show why you can become a successful data scientist too. Stay tuned till the end to find out how. At Newton School, we believe that everyone can excel in data science regardless of your background. In fact, did you know that 60% of our students come from non-technical field? So yes, you can definitely do this course. To ensure we cover all bases, we have prepared something special for you. Newton School's exclusive 4-factor advantage. Factor 1. Learn from scratch. Our course begins with a strong foundation in mathematics, starting with the absolute basics. This helps you build a solid groundwork in data analysis required in your job, and gradually covers all the industry-relevant tools like SQL, Python, Tableau, Power BI, and TensorFlow. Factor 2. Specialized batches. Learn with people like you. To make your learning journey easy, we have created specialized batches exclusively for students from non-technical backgrounds. You will study with fellow learners who come from similar fields, creating a relatable and supportive environment. This ensures that the teaching pace is perfectly aligned with you, making your learning experience comfortable and enjoyable. Factor 3. One-on-one doubt clearing sessions with expert data scientists. We provide one-on-one doubt clearing sessions with our expert instructors who are working professionals in the field of data science. They'll guide you, clarify your doubts, and help you gain the confidence you need to succeed. Factor 4. Real-world projects. Our industry projects are designed to transform your resume from ordinary to extraordinary. By working on real-world projects from top companies like Fractal Analytics and Mu Sigma, you will gain the practical knowledge. This will make your resume stand out and make you valuable as someone with experience and not just a fresher. So don't let your non-technical background hold you back. With our tailored approach, dedicated doubt clearing sessions, and industry projects, we will guide you every step of the way. So take your next step and reserve your seat now before it's too late.